Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can watch all of the reels that you have previously watched. So if you want to see which reels you have previously watched, then there is no direct method in Instagram to do this particular step, but still we will try to get what we can. So for that, what you need to do is click on this profile icon at the bottom left corner, and then it will lead you to the settings and activity tab. Now, if you have, for example, done some of the interactions with the reels, for example, like those reels or commented on them or even saved or bookmarked them, then you may access them again. So if you have saved them, you may access them from this saved button right here. They will be available here. Or if you have liked them or commented on them, then you may click on this your activity option right here. Under your activity, if you have liked any reels, like for example I have liked these two reels, so here you can see that these two reels are visible, and if you have commented on them, then they will be visible under this section right here. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.